Today we are going to discuss exclamation mark, and this is how it is represented. This is our lesson number 13 in the series, the punctuation system. So let us see what, before we discuss about the exclamation mark, I would say that like question mark, exclamation mark also is a punctuation mark which specifies whether a sentence is a simple statement or it's an exclamation of emotions. So an exclamation mark tells us that this is an exclamation. So an exclamation mark indicates emotions in a sentence, all kinds of emotions: happiness, sadness, disappointment, whatever you could name. So what a lovely day it is! Exclamation. How very cute. That tells us that somebody is extremely surprised, or I mean happily shocked. Oh my God. Okay, that also represents surprise or shock. Well done. And fire. So these are some of the examples where you use exclamation mark at the end of a sentence. Special case. Now, the following sentence could take a question mark or an exclamation mark at the end depending upon the situation. Yeah, sometimes there is this type of situation where you can use either a question mark or a sign of exclamation or exclamation mark. For example, how clever they are. Someone is asking about someone not expressing any emotions. For example, you are you're a you're a teacher and you go into the class, and you, or probably you ask your teaching assistant or you ask your colleague how clever these students are. Now you are not uh, praising them, you are not expressing any emotions, but you are just inquiring. So then it is a question mark at the end. So because you are asking a question. But if you say how clever they are, someone knows about someone and strong emotions are expressed here. So you are happily surprised that, oh my God, they are very clever people. And you ask them probably many questions. They answered you absolutely correct, and you say how clever they are. Or probably you are expressing this to your colleague, how clever these students are. And now this is not a question, you have experienced it yourself and you are expressing your emotions, so that's why you put an exclamation mark at the end. Right, so a challenge for you: can you think of any such examples where you could use either a question mark or an exclamation mark? If you can find one, please share it with us, share it with me. I would definitely love to see that. Okay, thank you very much for watching it, and I hope you understand it very well. If you don't, let me know and I'll get back to you very soon. Okay, bye.